New challenge for Apple? The company will release the second generation SE in the old case, as it was with its predecessor. But will the iPhone SE2 with a 16:9 screen be relevant? The industry has accustomed to a thin frame and an elongated screen. This year, Phone XR became a bestseller. The proportions of its screen are 19.59, and the resolution is HD+, even for Full HD and smartphones. At the same time, the iPhone 8 Plus was sold less. It has a 16:9 Full HD screen, plus it's wider. It turns out that for consumption of content this model is better. The video plays at 16:9, which means that part of the screen area of the iPhone SE2 with 19.59 is useless. There will be black bars on the sides. However, people bought the XR because it looks newer. Will buyers want an inexpensive iPhone SE2 with an old screen? All the more interesting to watch Apple. iPhone SE2 is still one of the priority options among miniature smartphones. Manufacturers increase the diagonal of the screens, completely ignoring the compact cases. Users suffer from this.